Raju invests rupees 4,500 in 8% rupees 10 shares at rupees 15. He sells the shares when the price rises to rupees 30. Invests the proceeds in 12% 100 rupees shares at rupees 125. Calculate this. So let's take this one by one. So Raju invests rupees 45 and 8% shares, rupees 10 shares at rupees 15. So if you have gone through all the four questions that have been discussed before this question, you will understand that rupees 10 shares implies that the par value, the face value, or the nominal value, so you can any of the terms, is rupees 10. Okay. The market value is rupees 15. And he would be getting 8% dividend. Always remember, he will be getting 8% dividend on this par value. On the par value. So before we proceed, we should understand this. So he has invested 4,500 rupees. The market value of each share is rupees 50. So how many shares he would have bought? He would have bought 300 shares. So in this leg, in the first leg, he would have bought 300 shares. How will this number, just 300 shares, help us? He sells the shares when the price rise to rupees 30. The sales proceeds. So the first thing that we need to do is we'll be using this. Let me write it here. So these are 300 shares that he has. 300 shares. Sells the shares when the price rises to rupees 30. And let me erase this because this is a part I won't require again. Okay. He has sold 300 shares. These are the number of shares that he has for rupees 30. So how much would he have got? He would have got 9,000 rupees. Okay. So the sales proceed, 9,000 rupees he would have got when he sold the shares. Okay. And invests the proceeds. Then he invests this money. Which money? He invests this money. This money. In 12% rupees 100 shares as rupees at rupees 125. Now he take this 9,000 rupees, he goes and invests this amount of money in company B. When he invests that 9,000 rupees in company B, the market value of each share of company B is rupees 125. So for company B, he would have got 72 shares. You can calculate this. You will get the answer as 72 shares. So we have done the A part. B part is number of 125 shares he buys. Number of 125 shares he buys. This is the sales proceeds we have done. That is 9,000 rupees. The second part is number of 125 shares he buys. So the number of 125 shares that he buys is 72 shares. Hope this is clear. Now the third what he says is change in annual income from the dividend. Okay. Well, so let me write it like this, that he has got from of company A, he had got 300 shares, and of company B, he has got 72 shares. Okay. Now, what we need to do is we need to find the change in annual income. Now, when he had 70 for company A, let me write it like this, for company A and company B. For company A, he had 300 shares. The par value of each share was rupees 10. 10 rupees. he was getting a dividend of 8%. 8%. So this would be the amount of dividend that he is getting. I'll calculate this and I'll get the dividend amount. For the second company, he has 72 shares. The par value of each share is rupees 100. Rupees 100. And he is getting a dividend of 12%. So again, I'll calculate the dividend. And from A to B, I can see the change in annual income. So when I calculate this, the answer would be 240 rupees. You can calculate this and you can verify. So this would be 240 rupees and this would be 864 rupees. 864 rupees. And the change would be 864 minus 240. That would be rupees 624. So this is the 624. So the answer to this would be 624. So we started with simple questions in this full lecture. We started with simple questions. 1, 2, 3 were simple. We learned a lot of things here. And then we proceeded to do a bit advanced questions, question 4 and question 5. And you can have a look at my website. I have a chapter wise. I have made a playlist for all the chapters from Maths ICSE. I have a lot of playlists for physics and chemistry also. I have almost covered all the syllabus of ICSE Class 10th Maths, Physics and Chemistry. So please have a look at the channel. Please subscribe, share, like. Thanks a lot for watching and best of luck for your exams.